Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you all box accessories that you can find of the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Okay, so first of all, let's open the box. Right here there's nothing inside. Here we can find user manual and probably stickers. Okay, looks like they removed the stickers, so there's also the base information. That was the package. Right here we can find cable. That's the USB-C cable to the lightning port, and at the bottom we can also find how to call it, ear tips. Okay, I just forgot the word. And as you can see, in this version of the AirPods Pro we have 4 different sizes. That's the extra small, small, large, and on the AirPods right here you can find the medium size. And that's all from the box. If you watch any clickbait videos, you cannot remove it. There is no any hidden case or something like that at the bottom. It's stick right here, we cannot remove it, and that's all package. If you wonder about the back of it, that's how it looks. There's nothing inside, so we can only find right here ear tips with the 4 different sizes, cable, and some kind of the warranty and the manual. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.